सो हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज हमने कुछ ऐसा भयंकर सा डिसीजन लिया है। एक्चुअली हुआ ये है कि बहुत दिनों बाद सैलून खुला है और आपने बीच में हमारा व्लॉग भी देखा था होगा, इनका बाल को लेके कुछ स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे। तो ये कुछ परेशान है बहुत दिन से बाल को लेके। ऑब्वियसली अगर ज्यादा बड़े बाल हो जाते हैं तो हम परेशान हो जाते हैं। तो लगभग 1 साल तो हो गया, राइट?
1.3
हाँ, कुछ लगभग 1.5 साल लगभग हो गया हम बाल बढ़ा के। अभी हम चाह रहे हैं कि लुक चेंज करे। तो what you gonna do?
I'm gonna go to the salon. It is open now, so I'm going.
Okay, तो ये जा रहे हैं सैलून, तो देखते हैं इनका बिफोर आफ्टर लुक। होप फॉर द बेस्ट गॉड।
Whatever it is, you should like me.
ओके, बाय बाय।
Bye.
जब तक ये आए तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना अपना वर्कआउट कर लूँ और फटाफट से थोड़े बहुत काम है वो भी कर लूँ। फिर हमें दिन को कहीं जाना है बाहर। आई एम लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी हिम आफ्टर कटिंग हिज हेयर। आई डोंट नो व्हाट गोना हैपन, लाइक आई डोंट नो। विल सी। ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर वर्कआउट। सो मैं फिश को फुट भी डाल लेती हूँ। See how it's growing. It's beautiful, no? I'm so happy to see this. उस दिन कुछ फ्लावर सीड्स लगाए थे, ये भी बहुत अच्छे से ग्रो करने लगा है। We have this problem, guys, near this house. Like whenever we comes out, this dog starts Baba. Nothing to do with it. So let me start my workout now. So we have just kept this table here as of now. So I think I need to move this. सो मेरा लगभग 45 मिनट्स 1 घंटा का वर्कआउट हुआ पूरा। सो मेरा सबसे बेस्ट रूटीन है ये सुबह का, कि सुबह उठो, थोड़ा सा एक्सरसाइज और उसके बाद जो आता है इन पौधों में पानी डालना। तो चलिए हम सब मिलके डालते हैं। मैं पानी डालना हुआ खत्म। तो आई एम हियर एंजॉयिंग माय ग्रीन टी। So down also I'm having lots of work, so I just need to go down, I feel. So let's go. Just came down and you guys can see how messy my bed is. So let me tell you about this top. Actually this t-shirts belong to Dias, as you will get to know. So I just love to wear this kind of baggy like loose thing of t-shirts of him. So I used to wear lots of t-shirts of him. So this is one of them. I just love this one, this color, this print and all. And I feel so relaxed after wearing this. Don't ask. So I am getting the bike sound. May you guys also get. So he has arrived. I'm so excited. I just can't stop laughing. Oh my god, how are you gonna look? So I'm just waiting. I just can't wait now. He's just arrived. You can see from here. So he saw me. Okay. And
have to take bath.
Wait.
No.
Iriki.
This is the hair. I have to go wash.
That's okay. Come this side. Light is there. Come.
It's become curl because of long hair.
They didn't said anything like don't cut.
They
like,
said don't cut.
Just sit. No, I just
It'll
want this.
fall, yeah.
But that's okay. So this is how you look after. Oh my god, I just love you.
They said don't cut and all. I said it's okay. It's long time. Next year we'll leave again.
Okay.
They're like okay, sir.
They didn't wash again, huh?
No, because it's too curl. No, it'll curl again. So he said put nicely shampoo and stuff, and it'll take 1 month to like adjust because it was like bent right always. So it'll take time.
So yeah, looking good. Yeah.
Thank you. Let me take bath.
So we are going out somewhere. So I'm getting ready for Tafat. So I'm almost ready. Just I need to tie my hair. So ये कुछ ऐसे दिख रहा है and I'm loving it. So say something your experience. How you are feeling now?
I feel so. Now I feel the scalp. I feel cold now inside. It was hot before. I feel light.
And you're looking so cutie pooty bacha now.
Obviously, I'm a bacha only, no?
You're looking so good.
Oh, it should stand. That is the problem. It's curled.
You're looking my old my boyfriend type before marriage. From marriage time only you're having long hair, no?
That time we planned to leave for marriage time. Lockdown to lockdown.
तो अभी ये कुछ ऐसे लग रहे हैं मेरे old boyfriend. So I will show you guys what I am wearing today. So we are good to go. So I'm waiting to. He will take the car. This is how our area looks, guys. Now your tattoo is like highlighting more.
Right?
I don't know. After you're cutting your hair, I'm feeling like your tattoo is like popping up. तो हमारा ऑफिस काम हुआ खत्म. So I'm just taking him to eat something outside. So we are trying to eat healthy. We'll see what we'll get. It's like totally open now, Bangalore. So now we are drinking this. What is this?
This is coconut water.
This is coconut water, guys. So Bangalore is just known to his beauty, his nature. So tell me something about your Bangalore, guys.
Everything is there in Bangalore. It is called the Garden City. It was called as the Garden City, but now it is reduced. But still, compared to any other city, I would say I love this city because of the temperature. The best temperature you have all over this other cities. You have nature also, you have technology also, and the people over here are very good and like very they welcome each and everyone, every language people. So that type of culture we have here. So it is very nice to go anywhere in Bangalore. It is safe.
Yes, I feel the same too. So we just love to roam like this without doing anything, just to roam in car. We just loved it.
Okay guys, this is Panda's Cafe. We are trying it for the first time.
We have pandas too here.
So this is the menu, Panda's Cafe special. We have bamboo biryani. So we have ordered chicken bamboo biryani, and in platters we have ordered non-veg platter, chicken, prawns, fish. So let's taste and see how it.
Show me. And I have this for you.
Thank you. Have issue, use tissue. Nice. This is like a barricade.
Nice, no?
Nice.
The ambience is well.
Ambience is also so nice.
So we are waiting for our food, and I'm getting a little bored to wait. So I'm just doing time pass with owning the camera. And he's busy with his work. So the ambience are like so beautiful here. I'm so feeling happy to come here, and we have fish over on my top to watch, and this is like a way of road. You can see the vehicles are moving around, and yeah, let's see what and all he's ordered. And actually he ordered so many things. Let's see how it tastes. I just can't wait. So yes, we have ordered this bamboo biryani, right?
Yeah.
This is called bamboo biryani. They have gotten inside the bamboo. So he's stalling chicken from me.
I'll give you rice.
No, that's fine. So this is the chicken platter. So he started eating. Okay, let me also taste. Very smooth, less masala and yum. So we are done with lunch, and lunch was amazing, you know. Alle adiboli lunch tinnittu ipo nammal veeti povam pova. So veeti povalla nalla chooduma. So let's go. So हम पहुंच गए घर, और रामू बंदे ऊपर बेचारा चला रहा है. As you can see, we are back home, and I'm ending this vlog here today. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked it, and please do not forget to hit like, comment and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.